Alright, awesome people, so this is just basically the continuation of the previous video I made on my channel on how to level up and how to perform exchange. That video, I didn't want it to be too long. That was why I decided to cut it into two. So if you've not watched that video, you can just go to the first link in my description. That will be the link to the YouTube video on how to level up on Nikilive stream or Poppo live stream apps, what leveling up means, and how to level up to increase your tax reward. Those of you that are not okay with the 2,000 points Poppo is giving you, or the 1,005 beans Nikilive is giving you, so go and watch that video first before you come and watch the continuation of this one. I'll be showing you what exchange on how to carry out exchange means. So those of you that are new to the app and you are clueless about the terms exchange and leveling up, this video and the other video is very essential for you. So if this video has been helpful to you, or if you eventually get something tangible from this video, do not hesitate to leave this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop a wonderful comment. Let's continue with the video.
Alright guys, so I want to go live now to show you guys how to exchange. Alright guys, so I'm live now. So this is me guys. So I see what I'm talking about when you talk to this is what I'm referring to, talking about the leveling. If you look up here, look at the ordinary 60 minutes 2000. If you are given a new task to be reviewed there, and you will see that your gifts, this bar will move, okay, to be shown that you have moved to the next task. So apart from that now, so guys, the essence of this going like nice to show you guys how to exchange on the app or how to gift somebody. We're going to hit this tiny gift box that is at the right corner of your screen. You tap on it. Here you have, guys, let's assume that you want to do an exchange with somebody, just like the word goes, exchange. This means you're going to be gifting somebody a particular amount of gifts, and that person is going to gift you that gift in return. Okay, now let's say you want to do an exchange of 1,000. Look, now you have different type of gifts here. You have the gift, you have the lucky, you have the taste, you have the fans club. All right, so but we're going to gift the person on that gift. Okay, that is the only way you do exchange that makes sense, that you give the person and the person gets 70% of your exchange. Because if you gift someone on that lucky, let's say you give the person 100 coins, because I know someone told me about this. I gave my sister 20,000 coins and I'm supposed to be seeing 20,000 coins, and I gambled on how. What's happening? You only gamble with gifts here under lucky. Under lucky is where you have gifts that you gamble with to friends. Okay, this tastes, you can use it to gift somebody too. All right, and this fans club is if you are in you guys fans. All right, if you are you guys fan, you are in your friends fan, or you are if your friends fans club, and you can gift your friend there. So but this lucky is for gambling and this gift is for exchange. Let's say you want to give somebody and you want the gift to be reasonable. It depends on the amount of coins you have here. If you have 50,000 coins, you can give the person champagne, you can give the person clown, and the person will return it back to you. But let the person know that it is an exchange, because you can just give somebody and you'll be expecting it back, but you don't know that the person does not know that you gifted the person doesn't know that it's an exchange you want to do. So make sure you're the person that you need an exchange, and don't just do an exchange with anybody on the app. That is why it might be advisable, it is advisable for you guys to join my group in the my WhatsApp or Telegram group. I have amazing and trustworthy people there. I won't say whenever you want to make exchange there, just drop a message on the group. I'll be there to attend to you. Okay, so you don't fall victim of scammers on the app who are there to rip you off your money and in the process of exchange claiming that they want to do an exchange with you. Okay, so guys, this is just how to do an exchange. You gift the person and the person gifts you back. You will see the person's picture. I don't know if it's going to show here, but mine is not showing, but you may see the person's picture. So make sure you tap on the person's picture and then you gift the person, you tap send. All right, I don't have any coin here, so that's just it. So the person will give you back. That's just basically how to do exchange on the app.
I believe this video has been of great benefit to you all. Let's say you've learned one or two things today on this video. That is why it is necessary for you to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the little bell icon, share this video to your friends so that they can learn something like you've learned. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, the comment section is wide open for you. My number is there in the description of the comment section. You can message me anytime. Join our groups, guys. Join my group, actually my group, not our group. Join my group, so it will be our groups. Okay, so join my group in the description, my WhatsApp or Telegram group. You can contact me in any of them. Do not forget to drop me a wonderful comment. So guys, this wraps up today's video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, whereby I might teach you guys all about an agent or being an agent on any of this app, the instead of you being an agent, and what are the incentives, the commissions you're going to earn being an agent, and how to go about the application as an agent, let's say, especially how to add your host and all you need to know, all the basics you need to know about being an agent. So until next time, guys, see you guys.